QQQ, and I want to point out a very simple way for us bulls to hold on to our profits and be able to get as much gains as possible. When we're having a bull trending day, you want to make sure to not take profit too quick and let the profit ride out. So essentially, ever since yesterday, when I mentioned that we had a bear break with no bear follow through, essentially market open, we bounced right away and tested the prior support, becoming the resistance. We're not able to get it over at the first try, and we had a slight pullback. And when the pullback was above 50% of this move, is a good sign that we will likely test that area again, which we did, and we tested this resistance again, and we break above it. And ever since we break above it, all the bears that had the short position open covered, and as well as bulls came in to buy as well. So you had this like straight shot up, and we consolidated a little bit overnight. And the morning we opened, you can see this teal looking line. This teal looking line would be the 12 EMA. After we broke this resistance, we never dropped back below the 12 EMA. So essentially, if you're a bull, you have nothing to worry about. Literally, you just look at the 12 EMA, and you can see that we bounced off of it right here, bounced off of it again right here, and pretty close here, and barely touched here, bounced off of it again right here, and the bulls just continue to buy everything up. So you just have to hold your profits. You can ride all the way from here to here, and you're still in the trade right now. Even during after hours right now, we're still heading up a little bit, but we could say that the move is likely a little bit extended because we opened red yesterday and it closed only like roughly 0.8% green. It may seem like we only had our first green day, but the fact is that we, from the bottom of the move all the way up to here, it's already a 4% straight shot for QQQ, which is a huge move for indices like QQQ and SPY. And so essentially what I'm looking for is a consolidation for 4 hours. Even in the 1 hour, we're overbought, but overbought can stay overbought. So 4 hours, essentially we haven't changed the trend change yet. We shot up 4%, and it's a straight shot. So a trend change would mean that we make a higher low, lower than the previous 4 hour candle, and break above the previous high. So that would give us a 4 hour trend change. So that's what I'm looking for. And when we get our 4 hour trend change, then I'm going to be looking for a daily trend change, which should be anything as a 4 hour, but on the daily time frame. We still don't have that either. We straight shot up, and so I want to see that daily trend change as well. So right now, we'll have to see what next week would be like. So Monday, we'll likely get a slight pullback, and I want to see the bulls buying up that dip. If that continues, then we'll likely continue our bull move. So Monday, I'll be looking to be buying the dip. And if anything, we get like a 5-minute oversold or a 15-minute oversold indicator, I want to buy that up with the bulls and set a stop loss below that higher low. And we'll see if the bulls will continue next week. And I'll do a position update on my TQQQ and what I did with the trade and how much I made tomorrow. And have a great weekend, everyone.